Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be giving this cute little Bulbasaur 3D print a bit of a makeover. So my friend David, hi David, was kind enough to print this flower pot Bulbasaur for me using his 3D printer, and he said that I could do whatever I wanted with it, so I decided that I was going to customize it. Now we all love and adore Bulbasaur with his cute little face and adorable green colors, but I wanted to be different. So I decided to color it in a way that would match my office decorations, pink and gold, cause I'm fancy like that. Now before I started painting, I decided to give it a base coat so the paint would go in a little bit smoother. As I was going to use aerosol paint, I broke a hanger and jammed it into Bulbasaur, sorry baby, to make sure I wouldn't get any fingerprints on the paint. I had to do 3 coats in total because I messed up the first time and sprayed it too close. I know my technique was awful, so I had to sand it down and then reapply the coat to get it to a nice smooth finish. Once it was done drying, I got my pink color ready to start painting. I have to admit this took a little bit longer, probably because of all the spray coats I did, but after 5 coats of pink paint, Bulbasaur was finally coming together. And then I realized that sadly, I did not buy white paint for the eyes. So instead of running back to the shop, I decided to cover Bulbasaur all over with blue painter's tape, as that one doesn't lift the paint, and just left the eyes exposed so I could spray paint him yet again with the white primer. And just like that, Bulbasaur finally had eyes. Once the spray paint had dried, I then measured and traced the area where the plant was going to be. I went in and cut a thick round foam and then covered it by gluing it with a slighter thinner foam in a green color. Now to make him look more like Bulbasaur and not a basic pink pig, because I realized that the pink color made him look kind of like a pig, no offense to pigs, I went ahead and started painting his trademark spots with gold paint. I used different images on the internet to make sure that I got as close as possible to what he actually looks like. After that, it was time for me to add a glossy clear coat to my Bulbasaur to make sure that the paint wouldn't chip or get damaged. I sprayed the coat and let him dry for 30 minutes. During that time, I took this fake plant and cut the stem so it would fit the back of my Pokemon, and I also went ahead and added a couple of golden details to the green foam by using plastic wrap and gold paint and gently tapping the surface of the foam. This created a very cute little pattern that wouldn't distract too much from Bulbasaur, but it would complement the colors very well. Once everything was dry and the plant was cut, it was finally time for me to put all of my items together. It took a couple of tries, but the fake plant eventually managed to fit right inside of the foam, and my cute little Bulbasaur was finally complete. I'm very happy with the way that he turned out. I do think that once I added the plant, he started looking more like Venusaur, but he's supposed to be Bulbasaur, so I don't know, you guys decide. Is it Bulbasaur or is it Venusaur? Let me know in the comment section down below. But overall, I really do love the colors and I'm very pleased with the way the plant complements the pink of his skin, so I really like it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you would like to see more of these types of videos in the future. But for now, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.